guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing my first collab video, and the lovely ladies that I'm going to be collabing is Allia Beauty, who is the one that put this collab together, so thank you very much for putting this collab together. And the other lovely lady that is also doing this collab is Tashi. I hope I'm saying your name right. She is an Instagrammer, and she has, I'll just put up like a little photo of her Instagram, either here or here. I don't remember which side, whichever side, and I also have their socials and everything linked down below, so please go ahead and check them out. But yeah, today's collab is going to be a Christmas themed makeup look. So here is the look that I came up with today. I wanted to do green shadow for sure, and then of course the classic red lips. I think I'm really happy with how it turned out. This is a Christmas makeup glam look. Around Christmas time is whenever people kind of do more glam looks, so that's what I went with today. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right on into this video. Alright, so I already have my base on, being my foundation, my concealer, my brows, and I've already set my face. So for my bronzer, I'm going to be using the Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder, and I have mine in the shade Sunlight, which is 01. So here it is. I'm just going to take a bronzing brush and start bronzing up my face. Alright, and now for blush, I'm going to be using two different blushes, and the reason being is this blush by The Balm. It's called Hot Mama. It's a shadow slash blush. You could use it for either, but this one I find it has like a gold tint to it, so it really makes me look very glowy, so I don't like to use it alone. I just find that it looks more glowy than actual blush, so I just use this just to give me a glowier complexion. It just looks, that's what it looks like. It's just kind of like a sample, I think, but I've just been trying to use it up. So I'm going to put this down first, and then I'm going to go in with the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush. Hush Blush is the shade. And here's what this one looks like. And I'm just going to be using just a regular blush brush by Luxie. And it is the Luxie 514 blush brush. It just makes my cheeks look very glowy, but it doesn't really add much color to it. So that's why I go in with the other one. Alright, so now that I looked very flushed, I'm going to go in with highlighter, and the highlighter I'm going to be using is the Ofra highlighter, and I have mine in the shade Rodeo Drive. And I'm just going to be going in with the Viva Cosmetics brush. I like to use this one for highlighter. Alright, so now I'm going to be moving on to the eyes. Alright, and so the palette I'm going to be using is the So Jaded ColourPop and Kathleen Lights palette. I think I'm going to go in with my transition shade, and I'm going to be going in with the shade here, which is Geodude. And I'm going to use this as my transition shade. I went ahead and kind of zoomed you guys in a little bit just so you guys could see what I'm doing a little bit better. Alright, I think I have my base down pretty good now, so I think I'm going to move on. And I'm going to go into the shade Jade. This green shade here. So I'm basically just going to be doing what I just did with the transition shade and just kind of buffing it into my crease here and maybe bringing it up a little bit, but not too high. Alright, so now I think I have the green kind of built up to the way I want it to be. I'm going to move on to a deeper shade to kind of deepen up the corners here, and I'm going to be using this shade Stoned. And it is this dark brown right here. And I'm just going to go in with a smaller fluffy brush just so I can get those edges a little easier. Alright, now I'm going to go back into the Jade shade and just with that same brush that I started at the beginning, and I'm just going to kind of blend out the edges now with that green shade. Alright, now I'm going to be going into the shade Emerald here. And it is this sparkly green shade here. And I'm just going to start placing that down on the lid here with just my finger. And I'm bringing that from this side all the way here. I'm not going quite in this corner over here. I'm just from here to here. Now I'm going to go into the ColourPop Misunderstood palette. And this is the Villains palette here. And I'm just going to go, I'm going to grab this other green shade here. And put this more in the inner corner of my eye because this one has more of a gold kind of shimmer in it, and I just kind of want to add that a little bit to the inner corner part of my eye, so I'm going to do that now. Still going in with my fingertip. And this one definitely has more gold like little shimmer flakes in it, so I really just wanted to add that. I might go ahead and bring it up a little bit further just because I like sparkle. Now I'm just going to go back into the Stoned shade in the So Jaded palette, and I'm just going to try to deepen up those corners again because the shimmer kind of took that away, so I'm just going to redo that a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to do my bottom lash line. And I'm just going to be basically doing exactly what I did minus the shimmer shades on the top. I'm just going to be doing the mattes. I'm going to do that transition shade. Then I'm going to go in with that greener shade and then the darker shade as well. Alright, now I'm just going to be going in with the Infallible by L'Oreal Long Wearing Eye Pencil. And I have it in the shade, I think it's beige. Nude beige, and I'm just going to pop this in my bottom waterline just to brighten up my eyes a bit. Alright, now I'm going to go back into the Ofra highlighter, and I'm just going to pop some of this highlighter in the corners of my eyes, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone as well. Alright, and now I'm going to attempt to put on some lashes, and I'm going to be using the Aviva Cosmetics eyelashes in the style Stafina. But before I go ahead and put these on, I think I'm going to go ahead and pop some liner on now. And I'm going to be using the Hank & Henry Slick With It Liquidy Black Long Wearing Eyeliner, and it's just kind of a pin style. And I'm just going to go ahead and line at the top of my lid. I'm not going to do anything too fancy, just going to do a simple line. I'm not going to do like a wing. And I probably should go ahead and put some mascara on first before I do my lashes. So I'm going to be using the Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. Alright, and then the glue I'm going to be using is the Duo glue here. I have it in the dark tones so that it blends in with your eyeliner better. Alright, I forgot how dramatic these lashes are. It's definitely not what I'm used to, but they're very pretty. I think I'm going to put some eyeliner on the top of my waterline just because I can kind of see the under lid kind of. And to do that, I'm just going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Never Fail eyeliner in the shade black. Alright, and then last but not least, I'm going to be doing lips. So of course I'm going to be doing a red lip for my lips, And I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this Maybelline Sharp Liner in the shade Brick Red. So I'm just going to line my lips. Now I'm going to be applying the Dose of Colors Date Night Red lipstick. They're a liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to be filling in what I kind of drew. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I think it is very Christmassy themed. But that's going to do it for today, guys. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful Monday and a wonderful Christmas. And yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!